Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed number one educational speaker in the whole world is your host, Apa, with the most. Shapo kunjani bafethu, another Sunday bafethu nginani futhi lana ngisasho namhlanje. Please subscribe, share, comment. Yabo, at least I'll subscribe ile bafethu. It's your way of saying apara support mfethu with Uppercut Podcast. Yabo, ra support. You don't have to o sokola or eshakena nyoko ke tla mona ke tlo mo kaya nyoko mthona wabona. Just to subscribe fela yetsa at least re keep the light on re tlo thola di centenyana. It's an obvious thing, right? Hey, bafethu re supporteng bafethu. Thank you very much. Lauga nager lauga subscribe abo sa re shebelle is fine.
Better than nothing.
It's better than nothing. O tla bo re feel something. It's like o feel 10 rand and then away je. O feel yona ke. That's good. Thank you very much, Buffett. Happy December time. I kule December, Buffett. Sure. The it is the flashbacks in my mind. It's December. Kule December, we should be enjoying, we should be having our good times with our families, friends, and the loved ones. It should be a good time, really. December time. But it's the opposite. There are people who are getting hurt. There are people who are going to be in hospitals come January. There are people who are going to be in jail. There are people who are going to be hurt, dead, for that matter. Because Batuba Shoki December. Simply because of alcohol. Why what? I can't say beside alcohol, ralwana. It's just that beside alcohol, we can tolerate each other. Yes. You can hear that, okay, here this guy is apologizing, he made a mistake. But I don't know, no, I no mistake. Ntwenyane fela. Cigarette, scafe. Ebe se ke fa o santsha thipa re gala mpona re ka motella. Why ha kopa cigarette nna ke fa o ke sa itlisi ko yena, simply because yena o ntsana le kwala, maybe le nna, or maybe le the one that I'm passing a cigarette to instead of him. One child kaporle two. So bafethu, let us be safe. Ka December. How so? Now I would suggest hore re dule ko di jareteng. Indoors, re ketsetse mnate da le di relatives, bo auntie, bo mamkholo. Le ke le tlole bua ditaba tse serious le tauwe le lona. Kona hopolang gore ba itse auntie o chisitse malome poison, which isn't that wow. Mara nako ka ofela we hopola o le sober. Wa bona gore you can hold your horses. You can control your emotions because you are in a good state of mind. Mara once o nwele o mo sheba auntie ya so ka daile o tlo bua eng le auntie, o tlo bua ka bana le yena o tla banka from your energy aba araba ya kwa le yena, of which never arabe jwalo of if you were in a good state of mind, you were not under any influence. For the fact that you are under influence, never arabe mnate, so you are going to fight. So it's another problem going forward instead of solving the very same problem enze le tla le yona from kwa. Why bon? So it's time bafethu. Or re chinche the way re nahanang ka teng. I remember myself back in 1995, 94, somewhere there. I was in the tavern. Ke kena ka mo taverneng ha o tla ke bona ngwana nna. Wa tseba batho ba ba etsang? They are sitting that side, ba beya di cherry tsa bona this side. They don't sit together, bafethu. Why what? So there I was trapped because this lady started having a conversation with me, wanting to talk with me, flirting with me, and then Linna I was carried away. Yes. I get monna, you must be la. Cherry my chitlog melubon and what young child. So I just le nna ka nka ngwana le ra bua ra ba mnate tsotsi eno ya tla no ntse bitsa ngwana ke qena ke botsa ngwana re why dai mana ntsa o bitsa a re ai one hlopha wa tseba bashimane ba bakasi ba yena kgalang shela nna ke mo batla ai dadeng yang khopula high blood anyano ga ntwana ko tshotlamile ke protect baby no wa bona because she just told me hore yena one rata umpone ke kena fela wa bona re shasha ya jwa ara go bona kena fela o rongo wa moena kare wow this is my lucky day kanti that is a bad day it's the opposite wabo ke buelo ngantse re dutse le ngwana tsena e tlefie a e tla tsena ke bona re okay ba bo mai 3-4 ene gona ge 2 wa bona ke re kwa o tshaka e mona ba tla re tsamaye ke jetse ngwana ke re baby re change plek no wa bona a re ne o sharp ha re tswa ngwana le a nshape ka hack mar from behind like wa bona motho o shapang ka hack from behind o ntshwege se le nna ke mtshwaga wa bo a right ra move re lotswa tsotsi e nthibe ka mopele re la ka ilona just like this ke re mona o botsa nna o re botsa ngwana a re ke le botsa ka fela la kae ke ra nna se ka mpotsa nthoeo nna ke tshige hao ena ka tla lo wena mo ena o ntsebe wena wa bona well there are some guys ba le bana ba dutsilena ba mkhalemela instead of fighting ai man tlola tshigena e tlwelle ke sefebe nyonyenye wa bona ya a itsotsela zangele mamele nna ebe ke re mzala ko partsela ka ntle ke lo utlwa grand ona le sound a ku utlwe grand kante nna se batlo mohlaba ka tsipa di man babo luckily ra tswela ka ntle babo yena na re lo solve ra tswela ka ntle ke sore di kone tse 4 di tsipa tse 4 honna tse 2 ka mo di taking tsaka tse 2 mo dipokotong well A1 mo pokotong A1 ka mohara anda wa bona yeah so to ja re fitla ka montle ke re mona ntle kwana bothata ba o ke ngwana sa now starting to raise my voice wa bona ke rona bothata ba ha o ke ngwana are wena ska tlonjwetsa wena o mang wena ke ntse kone ke re batlo tseba ke mang ke ntse tsipa ke mtshwage so a chapel tsola ka leekwa a tshetsele mrao a ntse tsipa le ke thola go se re tshwere dithipa ke le 2 ke re yo ka shoko mostano wa shewa baba so because ne ke le under influence le nna hape my character ha ke ba hlonyatsiwa wa understand ke kena ko tsotsela ke kena ko yena ke yone ya pele permission le tsoe re ya nhlaba ebe ke tshwaga thipa ele ya kena yi ya hlaya yi the piece ya teng ya o qene ya hlaya yi so ke se ska sa teng ka tshwaga basically ka mo shiftela ka ntona le stupu wa bona yeah so santsa wela da it's a grass ka modimo mara ho hawe ka le bota nyana so hafunyana and then be ba bo jwang ko dimo so ha fitla da nka re wa dula ka mo phusha ke nka re wa dula and then automatically sentse ke le ka odimai o tla kesa o etsa etse sangwa etsa la ntho grande ba fethu only to find tomorrow morning ha ku utlwela that guy aso wada o tshakile for December o tlile December wabo abatsama le bana ba kasi eo a fitlhetseng ko yona no ha re lombomba kanti bana ba kasi vele bona ba ipatlela matatana le nyoko ene tsotsi a ena nyoko the way things were looking wabona nna ke tla ke di tshwere ngwana maybe one tseba le ena de bana actor ka tempe bo ke motho kgalang tseba fere nna ke tsotsi da I'm famous wabona ke Friday ka molekano wabona that guy ba fethu he ended up atlaka ambulance ko ka sia hae
just a man
o tsamaile ra mona ke ka ambulance wa bona atlaka yi so wa bona tenja ke buang ya indoor or har duleng indoors ke December time hona le batho ba rena re tlo tshwara pogo re tlo nkela diaparo tsa re tlo nkela nyoko because yeah o lona le bosiphume jozi ona le mantswe no se ba le jikela no thina singa bosiphume nina nga bosiphume jozi lona le sa tseba Sotho grand or Sezulu grand And most of batho ha ba fihla iJozi ba tswang from other provinces, they adopt isiZulu akere as the easiest language re ka communicating ka yona. Mara ha ba khutlela dikasi tsa bona ba bua Setswana, like the Sothos, the Zulus. Ba tlo bua Setswana ko kasi ya bona, mara the Tswana ko kasi ya bona ba bua SeZulu. Akere ba bontsha hore ba tswa Jozi. Tjanong ba le bakada ba intimidated and frustrated obane di cherry tsa bona no tsa the whole year se di ba jigela on that day ha se le fihla lo se di ba jigela. So what do you think they will do? Ba tlo tila ka lona ba fetho, and lona le relaxitsa ke re lona le apere hantle le itsetsa go le tlo have fun le na le nyongo ha le ba tlo phasamiswa. So mara le bone le phasamisa batho ba ka le baka la di tshegetse wa bona ba tlo le lwantsha ba tlo le hlaba ba tlo le nkela diaparo ba le nkele nyoko ba le bona ba batla tšhelete go providela the very same chicks one child. So it is better ba nkele lona. And le wena o tla bo chama o ntse ntsha di 200 o ntse ntsha card da o ntse ntsha card to swipe unnecessary le na le yona riding. Hence ne ke re go another video, South Africans re di khothane rata bomponeng kaofela rona ba baholo le ba banyane kaofela rona o tla bona ke ha ntlo ya ka e tla ra ba e sheba bo mang di sofa ke reke di sofa ke reke headboard e tla re bomme ha ba kena ba itseng wa bona it's highly impossible or scarce hore motho a etsetse yena. You understand? A etsetse yena. That is why la re shela ba feta re tsebo shela ra impressa. Motho qala go kopana le yena se tlamela tsebe le mo sebetsang se tlamela tsebe le mogolo wa hao ra baby approximately 18 now ya udimo. Come on ba feta se shela ntwe. You are so weak. O ka ipakela le di trap o etsa le batho bao ba tshintse dingqondo no. Cherie e tshintse ngqondo e shela as a target. O sa bona as a target o lo lata out ya hae. Who said she's singing? Did she told you that? Even if she did, you can't trust that. Why what? O lata out tsa hae, o lata out tsa hae di thalavi. You will never go out of that club or tavern when. I'm telling you. So Buffett, December time go taverning e yang motshea wa bona. Mara ska ela di cherry da. Please. Obane le bona. Ba tletse lona bo Mgauteng bo Mjozi bo Siphume Jozi le na le tšhelete. Ba plana no. O mongwe ya as far as a plane le cherry ya hae hore baby nna le wena ha re fitla taverning re dula so. Re tsa so re sebetsa so. O tlo dumela obane re lapa re le two the whole year mo. When now let's Siphume Jozi, you are nothing but the target. Just be aware of that, Buffett. How fitla ko mo hae. Batho ba le one, we can happy argue by saying, "Eish, ba bolawa ke jealous." Wa bona. A ke re ke lona ba ba kenyang jealous. Ka ntho tse le fitlang le di etsa da. Wa bo. O mongwe o iqala ko ntlung thwe. O tlo bua le cousin ya hae sa Spaneng. Re mfetho. Kutla ba rona wa sokodisa. Mane fedile ntho eo jwanong. We tloele ntho eo. Sa kgalemela ke thakae ha buile yena Grand Remfan ba ile ba mfounela ka story se le o so inka grotmane because diaparo ha di tshwane. Simple. Batho ba di tlasa ka daedeng a butwaka. Wa bona diaparo. How can not tlasa o respect motho ka diaparo? Wa bona even ka tšhelete. You don't have to. How tsebe o inkile ka in the first place. That is why re embrace bo Matlala. Bo General Mkhonazi or the Metro. You can hear these people are corrupt. Laba ba botsa dipotso, they can't even answer properly. Mariette we are embracing them. Ore ke di clever ba na le nyongo nye ba para di label. Ngwana ha o tlo tseba ntho eo. You are not breaking a generational curse by sort of way. Never. Why what? How ka ta gore ngwana ha o santsana le mnyane? Kante a o tsubile wena. Wena khona wena is all way no brains. Ha o bua le bana ba hao wa bona. Ha re tlole ngwe tsa ntho eo ba fetho. ke bokhothane ntho eo so ka bokhothane ha ona more yang matjetse ka o etsetsa batho o sa iketsetse wena e tla ra hore papa by the time you have to now do it for yourself o tla botsofetse physically mentally o tla bo se right ke di stress ke di depression wa bona every day maybe le mosebetsi ne o tla bo sa sebetse that's high kana go re mo etsetsa wena wa understand so right ke o etsetsa batho ba bang ke etsetsa mediaka ke etsetsa mang bona le ma outino a lo patala dikela no
Yes.
gore media ha e skela yena sai o tlo itshola we
They always do.
o tlo te tshola hai what obana ha sa kene sekolo you are not at her level now
Yes.
le di chomi tsa hae tse motholang ko sekolong se o mo kentseng ko sona di tlo mo jwetsa is this your boyfriend come on
You
man
can do better.
yeah
You deserve better.
bo selbi ba teng it deserve better chomi look at yourself
Yeah.
take a mirror chomi
Yeah.
bo selbi ba teng ba tsamaya ka dikoloi remember ko varsity da hona le batlang ka di trans di Mercedes Benz o Mini Coopers
Yes.
wa bona batla ka tsona o tla bo re sa spana de o monang ka teng kanti ha ke cheese boy wa bona so ha re tloeleng hore re shebe ntho tse ka dimamatla rona wa bona if you say khone you check your life wa tseba phelo ba hao wa tseba re wena o le hirile ko lona ha ona ko lona but yet you want to live like ona le ko lona ai I no sebeletsa ntho eo wena phela phelo ba hao yes di chomi ke di chomi hona le nako ya bona wa bona hona le nako ya kontlong hona le ntho tse o di etsang le di chomi hona le tso sa di etseng hona le tso di buang le di chomi hona le tso sa di bui wa bona so ha re respectane nda mahaeng December time ba fethu ko mosebetsing tse ba o batla just imagine ska hlolo khutla it happened to other people azanga hlela khutlile na ile ko holiday me ha sa ba mhlelo mo nomntanami he kanti ke ngwana hao na ba qhoshetsa uye lo mntana wakho beka ba qhoshela ba provoke ore na o kentse ales o kentse bukayo o kentse teki ya bukayo o kentse teki ya bukayo a re nkela basadi da thavene ra motlhaba ya re ba fethu ba tla dula ba le teng batho ba jwalo ba tla dula ba le teng batho ba jwalo so it is better you save yourself that is why ke re indoor celebrations di tlo loka ke tsona 100% but it is the way to go ke 2025 you can't afford to die for no reason we know we're gonna die you can't run away from that
Yes.
but when don't wait for death
Yes. Don't invite that.
or don't invite death or don't go to death
Yes.
and challenge death
Yeah.
you'll be very sorry my friend so it is better ba fetha re lo enjoy kada wa tseba go ntso sa tshole kada ake don't think ka dik mfana Samson skanana ka tsubitswi
Apparently,
One child.
there's 8 million people
yeah
with AIDS,
one
with HIV and AIDS in South Africa.
one child
Apparently.
and maybe it's one province 8 million 8 million is too small my brother
But
it's too small and the AIDS phela itholale ko basading fela
yes.
again
Yes.
yeah le ko banne
Yeah.
that is why ke ra 8 million nyane ke data ya bona fela ba phandile
Yes.
hona le batho ba sokang ba testa mapha
Yeah, yeah, that's true. Yes.
ba baya than 8 million
Yes.
remember we are tens of millions
Yes.
almost 60 70 a ke re ntse ba kenya le di foreigners little by little in the data nna ke generally 52 million few years back wa bona ke makala o se tlo ba 60 something million batho ba ntse ba tlhokafala ka nte ba tsowa vie e tlamile re shebe hantle ba fethu eo wa bona
Something doesn't make sense.
eo ba fethu ai ha ona le ntho sa etseng sense la ke bona se o tlo go ma 60 70 million kanjane re fihlile jwang mo because people are dying every day and batho ba tlhokafalang ba bangata o feta batho ba tswalwang
Yes.
wa bona ba bangata o feta batho ba tswalwang le hlola le counter da sepetlele la today ka di December ka di 1 ho tlo bo hlaile ba ikae bo Christmas ba ikae again o thola ra hands full fela the whole country ba bo 100 200 wa bona a ke re no so tumme di abortion le di miscarriage ha o sa tseba gore abortion ke fe miscarriage ke fe gobane o entseng abortion o e bitsa miscarriage wa understand my brother ha o re ke abortion ntho eo a ila qabana le sa buisana especially mo mekhukhumo so data ya tholagala da gore ke ba ikae ba tshogeng ke AIDS ko mekhukhumo ebile le government a etse follow up a sharp hence now I was saying my brother all the government's department must be checked like we do now ka safety and security okay now it is all about safety and security right we've got health, we've got education, we've got water and sanitation, we've got minerals and what we've got all this department
which is not being spoken about.
And they up until today, they haven't addressed their problems properly, community-wise. Ralla, go department you can go to Home Affairs, my brother. Walua, e ya go dikela. Waliwa. Apparently le ba phela bana dikolong. Eish, ba se ba utswa dijo jwanong. Janong yana sa batla di-teen staff tse a le one wa bona sa bona re yena ke ena o lapang a le one mara na ro batla mosebetsi yena a volunteera o tla sebetsa mo o tla pheya mo remember every work is a volunteer my brother.
Yes, you work by choice.
You work by choice, that's what I'm trying to say.
Yes.
You work by choice so o batla nda ha o tlo tlo phanda da
Exactly.
ngwana hao a je baba 800 bona the whole school. Come on bafethu bomme le bontate da dikolong ke a tseba nkile ka Orange Farm I heard this story ona just se hlaya mo tshepisong ke di rumors mara konna wa bona mara very serious rumors and I believe those rumors wa bona obane I once saw di etsahala ko Orange Farm kwa like last year maybe yeah. They heard that story or dijo khona ba boshwayo khona ba qoshiwe nana o tlo tshwarela dijo o tlo wena ke ngo no lapile wa yo nka di box kaofela o lapile ha lapile ke bo jelletse teng damas or wa tshola ba dijo di asala everywhere we know that tse pheilweng again di asala wena wa nka ke o kenya skaftining wa tsama.
So probably stealing enough to sell.
When are you stealing enough to make a business? Maybe le batla bula di tuck shop or ka bana ke December ke nako ele ya di stock fair. Wena o batla ka bana wa kenela stock fair la ke no re ntho a isebetse. No wa bona se ba paka or yo ba share jwano. Ta khika mtseba o jwalo. Khona I tshola. Wa bona. So ke a utlwa dikela ba utswa ba fethe stop it. Ona le bana ba sa agenda. For real hona le bana ba senang dijo ba tloa o semba lapile ko ntlo so o tshepile ga lo jada a fitla da o go mrao go queue ne bo stouter ba fotla bo ba flex wa tseba ba ha e fitla go yena dijo di fedile ene le go bona tsamaile a saja o kila ena hana ntweo ba fethu come on ba fethu ra tseba a ke tlwele ntwe ya hore e senkwa mo senkwa o kutswa ntho yo wa ke senkwa kutswa ntho re tloetse hampe re le botaki or mo re sebetsang before we get paid we must get something ba utswa batho mesebetsing
and they call it something else
yeah ba bua ba re ke boroto it's like or you have a right to do so ba bangata that is why ba lahlelwa ke mesebetsi ka utswa chocolate a gola 4,000.
Just imagine.
Yeah, chocolate ya 10 rand. Ka lahlela mosebetsi my brother. Ba bangata piece ya voroso fela so. Viana, one just by biting it. Be ba o bitsa go di camera ba re o etsama. One chola my brother.
Because it says something about your character.
Yeah. So Bafethu, please let's take care of ourselves this December. This time is very crucial guys. On chol nna ke batla fela re be monate ka ofela jana wa re khutleng re le monate wa bona hobane rena re rata ho phela le batho re thata re le ka ra batho but not batho ba kwatileng not batho ba utlwileng bohloko wa bona we know mathata a etsahala all of us we have problems guys but now how this guy control the problems just know you are not alone it's not you are not the first probably not the last one shot so arna neleng le di emotions tsa batho ba bang ba fetho
don't identify with problems
no why what eba right la o tsona le di problems mara ha o bua le batho ba bang eba right maybe your solutions can be there ko bathong bao jwanong wena ha o snapper ko everyone mana ngeke man we and most of batho ba etsang jwalo ke batho ba safara people that need people for real ke bona jwalo ba re indlala e bangolaka mantsinyana o ke mantsinyana o simplify atote
justify no
a ke re no tseba ro tlolapa wa tseba o batla dijo ke ntwa every day so suddenly so kwatela mang wa sa kwatele wena ha o sna dijo wa sa kwatele wena o kwatela batho ba bang le utswa o be arrogant o be cruel ko bathong ba bang why thola that in jwalo makrala
le go kwata it doesn't even like serve any purpose
ha o kwata o tlogoga
never
one roga marene ke nna na tlo thusa ka dijo one chika ke nna na tlo thusa ka dijo
exactly
you understand
so that like a spanning
so all in all ha re tsebeng re bo mang ba fetsa wa bona re tsebeng re bo mang re tholeng re bo mang that is why ke tshogele buka ya ka today wa bo I'm having this book my brother this book ba fetho light hola mo uppercut podcast light hola le Tintele Smithy Witty Smithy the Reaper I le Tintele Smithy the Reaper ba fetho wa bona le mo uppercut podcast kena fela mo ha o batla copy o batla e kgolo or o batla e nyane wa ithola ba fetho le bitso la buka e ke finding the self wa bona finding the self ba fetho a guide to a spiritual growth it is so important hore spiritually ge holeng because that is God in us wa bona ke tla be a jwalo if you are guided spiritually you will know ha ona motho a tlo ropang hape o na le bo modimo ko wena so just align with that so buka e ba fetho e tla re isada ena le maybe 139 pages 139 pages maraga 250 350 300 okay 300 rand ba fetho wa ithola copy wherever you are ra sendela fela wabo so buka e tlo thusa o le ba fetho go ithole spiritually we thole wena o roma re tloele hore ka o bane wena wa tseba seneme ya hao ke moleko ene moleko ene le ntato wa hao wa bona ba nyetse le mme wa hao ebe wena o kgetha hore no nna ka o bane ke mokwena and then nna ke bitsa seneme ya bomme and then nna ke itseba ngzasi ra ba bona batho ba hlaetseng lenyalong ba peta mo ba itseba jwang ra utlwa ntse ba ipraise ka diseneme mina nkomo ya jikima mina ngobane mara diketso tsa hae di embarrass the very same surname so to me I will say my brother because you lack self-respect self-peace self-love but re tloele o pusha dintho physically ra ska ra lwana wa bona ha ona ntho tlamele di loke tafoleng re buisaneng wa bona ha o itseba wena o mang wa I respect akere you won't disrespect other people
exactly
wa bona o tlo batla le bue le thole common ground on whatever problem that you might have wa bona so ba fetho ka sheko ke nana re sebeditse please support us Buffett in everything that we are doing from podcast to the book to the #1 educational speaker and then the guy behind the scene here at Uppercut Podcast which is Smithy the Reaper on all music wa bona searcha fela ko di-platform se mo le o tla kopana le yena o download o mamele message bafethu wa bona even the book you will find it very interesting e tla o hodisa as re tshelo mentally and spiritually ngwaneso wa bona so that we can live our life with peace and wisdom. Tango, kita o bona next Sunday. I love you all.